You've made it through a comprehensive journey across Azure's networking landscape, from understanding foundational IP addressing to architecting private, secure, and scalable cloud networks. Let's reflect on what you've achieved and what you are now empowered to do. By the time you've reached this point in the course, you've built a strong foundation in core networking concepts within Azure. You understand how IP addressing, CDR notation, and BGP routing form the backbone of any well architected network. And you now see clearly how Azure's approach to networking differs from traditional environments, and how your role as a cloud network architect is evolving in this new landscape. You've gained the skills to confidently design and deploy virtual networks. You can plan hub and spoke architectures, create subnets, assign public IP addresses, and implement VNet peering to enable seamless communication across networks. You now know how to build secure, segmented, and scalable topologies tailored to enterprise needs. When it comes to DNS and name resolution, you've gone deep. You understand how Azure provided DNS works, how to configure private DNS zones, and how custom DNS resolvers support hybrid deployments. You've implemented private link DNS to secure internal traffic and tie name resolution directly to workload protection. You also know how to route and control traffic intelligently. You've configured system and user defined routes, created route tables, and even worked with advanced routing scenarios like transitive routing and Azure Route Server with BGP peering, giving you complete control over traffic flow within and between networks. You've successfully deployed secure VPN gateways and enabled hybrid connectivity, whether it's site to site, point to site, or VNet to VNet connections. You understand the planning considerations, the SKUs, the high availability options, and how to use local network gateways to bridge Azure with on-prem environments. You've explored the power of Azure Virtual WAN and discovered why it's a game changer for global and large-scale architectures. You understand how hubs, spokes, VPNs, and routing policies come together in a single managed platform to deliver performance and centralization at scale. On the enterprise side, you are fully equipped to architect express route deployments. You work through connectivity models, peering options, redundancy plans, route filtering, encryption, and advanced features like a global reach and fastpath. You can now lead robust express route implementations that meet enterprise demands. When it comes to load balancing, you know how to select and deploy the right solution for every scenario. You worked with Azure Load Balancer for non-HTTPS traffic, Traffic Manager for global routing, Application Gateway for Layer 7 needs, and Azure Front Door for fast and resilient web delivery. Security is second nature to you now. You can design layered protection using network security groups, application security groups, Azure Firewall, and DDoS protection. You've also explored web application firewall configurations to secure web traffic and enforce segmentation across network zones. You've ensured private access to Azure services by eliminating public exposure, implementing private endpoints, private link services, and service endpoints. You've integrated DNS to support private access across both cloud and on-premises workloads, creating secure, seamless environments. And finally, you've mastered network monitoring and visibility. Using Azure Monitor, Network Watcher, Traffic Analytics, and Microsoft Sentinel, you now know how to track, analyze, and respond to network activity. You can build dashboards, configure alerts, and gain actionable insights to keep your environments healthy and secure. You're no longer just a network engineer. You're a cloud network architect. You've upskilled beyond legacy boundaries. You now think in terms of cloud native designs, zero trust principles, hybrid connectivity, and secure architectures. The role of a network engineer has evolved, and you've evolved with it. Take what you've learned, apply it in your organization or next job role, and continue architecting with security, scale, and performance in mind.